Everybody wants to know, is Iran right? Is Israel right? You're asking the wrong question.
You think this Iran-Israel thing just started?
Bro, I got kidnapped out to Jerusalem, thrown into Babylon, taught astrology, magic scrolls, fake gods, all of it. But 3 times a day, I still faced home, faced Jerusalem. Didn't care who saw, bro. I served Persia, prayed for Jerusalem, watched kings flip thrones like sandals. They renamed me, re-educated me, tried to exile my faith. You want to understand this war? Don't just study strategy. Study the spirits behind it. I had a vision once. Goat. Ram. Horns everywhere. Persia crushed everything. Then came Greece, Rome. And now, we're still counting the horns. Iran, Israel, world leaders with nukes and ancient grudges. It's the same spirit, just wearing a new suit. But I saw a throne, white, blazing, and one sat on it. Judgment opened. Kingdoms trembled. Do you ever wonder if today's leaders are just acting out a vision we were warned about?
Everybody wants to know, is Iran right? Is Israel right? You're asking the wrong question.
The real question is, are you ready for what this means prophetically? This war is not about oil or borders. It's about thrones, spiritual ones.
You don't need to panic. You need to pray.
Before you choose a side, remember this. Empires fall. Headlines fade. Prophecy doesn't. And through it all, God's plan never flinched. Don't choose a nation. Choose the throne above them all.